All right, let's dive into organizing groups of data in Dart. Super useful stuff.
So think about it. Our variables so far can only hold one thing at a time.
But what happens when you need to store a bunch of things together?
Okay, so what if the order of your items really matters?
Well, for that, we use something called a list. It's a total game changer.
Seriously, the best way to picture it is just a simple shopping list.
And making one is super simple. You just use these square brackets.
And boom, just like that, we have 3 items stored in one ordered variable.
But what's really cool is how you can grab just one specific item.
But here's a super important tip for all new coders. We start counting from 0.
Yep, that means the very first item on our list is at position 0.
So if we ask for position 0, you can see we get pizza.
Okay, but what if order doesn't matter? What if you just need to look things up?
Well, for those kinds of lookups, we're going to use something called a map.
And the best way to think about a map, it's just like a dictionary.
You look up a word, which is the key, to find its definition, the value.
And instead of square brackets, maps in Dart use these curly braces. So here, name is the key, and its value is Sparky. See the pairing?
So if we want to find the user's name, we just ask for the name key.
And just like that, the code looks up the key and prints out Sparky.
So, the million-dollar question, when should you use which? Let's break it down.
Remember, lists are for order, maps are for lookups. That's really the core idea. All right, enough talk. It's your turn to try this out with a quick challenge.
Just follow these steps. And here's a hint. Remember that second hobby is at position 1.
And to leave you with a final thought, where do you see lists and maps every day?